Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to monitor O3 or ozone concentration in a specific area for a specific time. Okay, in order to do this, I'm gonna use Google Earth Engine as well as Sentinel-5 products. Okay, let's start. First of all, I have to define a study area. I'm gonna go to Tehran as the capital of Iran, because as I understand, the concentration of ozone is higher. And also one more thing about this gas is related to that spring and also summer are considered as the seasons with highest concentration of this gas. Okay, in order to do this, I'm gonna first define my study area. Center object, as usual, is considered as a good option. I have to import, let's say, geometry. It's here. Okay, and also I'm gonna add it as a layer. Again, geometry. Okay, now it's okay. First I have to save my code. I can say O3. It's added and run the code. Okay. In this part of my, let's say, tutorial, I have to check Sentinel-5 O3 product. In order to do this, I'm gonna go here, Sentinel-5. Also, we can see here Ozone. A brief explanation regarding this product you can see here, and also its availability from 2018. And then also we respond that this product includes, for example, I'm gonna work with this one, density of let's say O3 layer. Okay, in order to do this, first of all I have to copy this one, then go here and define my code. I have to give it a name, then use image collection. For this purpose, I have to paste a copied file here. Okay, now it's okay. In the second step, I have to define my study area. That O3 will estimate it for that one. For this one, I'm gonna use filter band, and here I have to put geometry. In the second step, I have to define a specific date that I'm interested in monitoring the concentration of O3. Again, I am gonna use filter and this time date. I prefer to insert 2023. Okay, it would be a good date because, as I said, the concentration of O3 will be highest during the summer and also spring. Okay, in the next step, I have to select which band I am interested in monitoring that. As I said, I'm gonna use select. Again, I have to back to my product, and from bands, I'm gonna, let's say, select this one, density. We also have further details regarding this bounds. It's unique, max, and min. And paste copied file here. Okay. As I said, I'm gonna monitor the variation of this gas over a specific period. In order to do this, I'm gonna monitor it on a chart. For this one, I have to define my time start and also time end. For this purpose, I'm gonna use map, also function. In function, I'm gonna define img. Then from img, I have to return img and use copy properties in order to copy all the elements from one data to the other one. img and bracket. As I said before, I'm going to use this one in order to define my time start and also time date. For this purpose, I'm going to use system. This time start. Again. Time end. Okay. For this part, it's enough. And we can go to the next part of my code. Now, I'm gonna define my chart in order to monitor concentration of ozone for a specific period. Here it's 1 month. I define my collection as a chart. Then I'm using UI chart. Because we are going to monitor the variation of, let's say, our product as an image. I'm gonna use chart image and also series. Okay, and also here we can see further details regarding this code: image collection, region, reducer, scalar, and whatever we are interested. Okay, here we have to define, as I said, for the feature of this code. For the first time, I have to say my data collection. Here, after data collection, geometry, study area. Okay. Then EE, reducer, that mean this let's say code is using, I mean this one, reducer main is using to let's say define how our data aggregated here. Here we are saying that it's aggregated based on mean. Again, I have to define a spatial resolution. Here is 1 kilometers that we can check here. Okay, it's almost 1 kilometers. And for the final one, I have to define system time start. Okay. Now we can go to the next step of defining different parts of chart. Here I have to define my chart type. In order to do this, I'm gonna use, let's say, set chart type. We can choose, let's say, other types of chart, but I'm gonna use line chart. That would be a good option. Or we can change to scatter chart or whatever you are interested. In the third step of defining different parts of chart, I'm gonna set further option of my chart. Okay, in order to do this, I'm gonna give it a title. The title would be, as I said before, O3, and also H axis. I'm gonna define that one. For each axis, I'm gonna give it a title again. Here, I'm saying show me year in V axis. I'm defining the title to be O3 concentration. Okay. In the next step, I'm gonna define line width to make it more visible for the, let's say, reader to see it. 2 would be a good number. And so for the last one, I'm gonna define a color using this one. I'm saying the color would be red. Okay, I can put red inside form and close the code and go to the final. Okay, until now our code is, let's say, completed. Now I have to print the chart and see the result. Okay, here are our result. You can see the concentration of O3 over 1 month. If I want to, let's say, see it in a good way, I can click on this way. And here we can see that different parts of our chart, and also concentration of O3 for August. Okay, I'm sure that sometimes you need the value of this, let's say, concentration. In order to do this, we can use CSV and we can save it whatever we want, wherever we want. Then I'm gonna save it as a O3. If I open my file, I can see that for different, let's say, days, the concentration of O3 . is estimated here, and we can use it for further analysis of our purpose. Okay, and also we can download this as a PNG. Okay, it's finished. Thank you very much for your attention. If you like these types of video, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Hope this video will be useful for your purposes. Bye.